జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 323rd నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం ప్రాణదాయ నమః. ఓ శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, I realize that you are the one who came down as Kurma, divine tortoise, and gave strength to all the devatas to churn the mountain Mandhara in the ocean to get Amrutam. O Srimannarayana, you are the one who gives strength to all the devatas. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Pranadaya Namaha. Om Pranadaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, now the sun is rising. All the people got up and went to Ganga Nadi, had their snanam, did their sandhya vandanam and japam, and then all of them came back and sat with Sri Ramachandra Swami. Everybody is silent. Na kaschit kinchit abravit. Nobody is talking anything. In that silence, now Bharata is addressing Sri Ramachandra Swami like this. While looking at Rama, Bharata is saying that, "Oh my dear brother Rama, because Kaikamma asked you, you gave up the kingdom and came to forest. Now Tadadami Tavaivaham, the same mother Kaikamma is willing to give this kingdom back to you. That is why I am giving the kingdom back to you. Oh Rama, you please come back. No one else can rule the kingdom other than you. Oh Mahipati, Rama, as and how donkey cannot run along with horse, as and how a common bird cannot fly just like Garutman, so also I cannot do the kingdom, I cannot rule the kingdom just like you. I do not have that kind of power, strength, valor like you. Oh Rama, not only me, the entire kingdom, all the citizens, all the great leaders, everybody is willing to have you come back and coronate, Pattabhishekam done and rule the kingdom. That is what is everybody's wish. Oh Rama, when you got Pattabhishekam done, after you got Pattabhishekam done, while you are going in a very wonderful great elephant as a procession, Matta, Nardantu, Kunjara, while you are sitting on the elephant and going in a procession, while so many other elephants also very happily following you, Antahpuragata Naryo Nandantu, when all the people are chanting and singing the glory of your all great divine attributes. That is what the scene, that is what everybody is willing to see and enjoy and live life like that, Bharat Rama. Everybody is willing to see that kind of scene. Oh Rama, please come back and get Pattabhishekam done. Like this, when Bharata, while crying, begging Ramachandra Swami, all the people are listening to Bharata. Everybody is appreciating the way Bharata is presenting all the things to Ramachandra Swami. And then now Ramachandra Swami is telling Bharata like this. Ramachandra Swami realized how much Bharata is grieving inside, how much pain Bharata is going through, because Rama realized that Bharata is feeling that all this disaster happened only because of him. That is why he is crying a lot. So Rama realized all that, and now again addressing Bharata, saying that, oh my dear brother Bharata, all this did not happen because of you. It is all happened because of Daiva Nirnayam. No individual is having any more independence in this creation, Bharata. Only Paramatma is independent. Whatever the Sankalpam Paramatma does, whatever the decision Paramatma makes, that is what is supposed to be followed by all this entire creation. Oh Bharata, you do not blame yourself. This is all happening because of Daiva Sankalpam. Bharata, how many possible ways that we earn money? At some point, Sarve Kshayanta Nichayaha. All that money will be completely disappeared. All that money will be completely gone away in so many ways from us. Oh Bharata, not only that, how much ever great positions that you attain, all those patanantaha samuchrayah, great positions also, all of portfolios also, at some point they fell down, Bharata. Sanyoga Viprayoganta. How many people that we get to meet? It may be children, it may be parents, it may be relatives, it may be siblings. How many ever ways that we get to meet people? At some point, we all will get to separate. That is what is the ultimate consequence of meeting people, Bharata. Not only that, Bharata, how much ever the great way that we live, that everyone's life is going to be ended with death. Maranantancha jeevitam. Bharata, don't cry. Like this, Ramachandra Swami, while talking about all the tenets of the scriptures, not only pacifying Bharata, but also pacifying himself, because they all lost their father Dasharatha Maharaju. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 35th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Achyutaha Pradhitaha Pranaha Pranado Vasavanujaha Apam Nidhihi Adhishtanam Apramattaha Pratishthitaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. On 25th December, it is Gita Jayanti, Bhagavat Jayanti, Sri Vaikuntha Ekadasi. On that special occasion in our Gattus Karishye Vachanantava YouTube channel, according to our America Central Time 10 a.m., according to Bharat Time 9:30 p.m. on the same day, let us all collectively join our live program, and there will be so many thousands of devotees, acharyas, great scholars. With their association, we will be hugely benefited on that special day. Let us all together have Krishna Paramatma's darshanam in that live program, and then we chant our Narayanastram. We all will collectively give a word to Krishna Paramatma, saying that I shall act according to you and make Krishna Paramatma happy. In return, let us all be happy and give this happy vibrations to the entire world. Om Pranadaya Namaha. Om Pranadaya Namaha. Om Pranadaya Namaha.